myrecipes.com, and today I am going to show you what I've come up with for chili garlic green beans. So this is from P.F. Chang's. We've had it several times. I've made it maybe upwards of 10 times trying to figure it out just right, and I've come up with several ways to do it. So I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way I've come up with. So we're going to start with 12 ounces of green beans. They're already clipped and washed. We have HEB here. If you don't, you can just buy some green beans, clip them. So for this recipe, we're going to use 12 ounces, put them in a Ziploc bag. I'm just going to throw them in the microwave for 5 minutes. And then I've got my heat turned on here. I'm going to throw a little oil in. And then they use fresh garlic, fiery chilies, and green beans. It's a really simple recipe. And then whenever you see on their ingredients, it says Szechuan preserves. So I went to several places looking for Szechuan preserves, and I bought everything that looked like Szechuan preserves. You know what? There's one more. Hang on, I want to get the cabbage. So this is the one. I think Maud and I agree this is the one that most closely resembles it, because if you get it, it has like little savory bits of cabbage and soybeans. So it's the Szechuan style, I'm pretty sure. But we've made it with all of these and it's always pretty good. So you can experiment. Of course, I don't work at P.F. Chang, so I don't know the exact ingredients or how they do it. So I'm going to start off with garlic going in. So I use my Count Garlica. He does not like garlic because it kills vampires. So he's tearing it up. Oh. Chunk that out. Just gonna get that going. So we have the cabbage. I'm not even sure I'm gonna be able to get this open. I'm gonna show you a quick trick though. You can use a knife when these things are super hard to open. So I guess these are actually from the Sichuan province of China, and so they've come up a long ways. Oh, there we go. And I'm just going to put approximately 2 heaping tablespoons of that in with it. Get that going real good. And that adds the savory flavor. It is fantastic. Actually, 2 to 3 heaping tablespoons. It has a bit of a bite, the Sichuan pepper. So, and then, you know, it has, you'll see it on the green beans. You'll see the little chili seed pods in there, which I didn't really see from the preserves so much. I probably put more preserves than they put in there. But this is a Thai sambal chili garlic. So just like the name of the green beans, it's a chili garlic. So those guys are going in 2 to 3 heaping tablespoons also. So this is definitely like the easy version to do this, which is good for us because we work our asses off. And then we go to the gym, and when we get home, we definitely need an easy version. Today is Saturday, so I have a little more time, but still, we're on a deadline. So getting that going nice, mixed in there. I've looked at some of the other Copycat recipes and they use rice vinegar, and we tried it. Maud did not like it. And the fact that it's not on the ingredients, maybe they use it, I don't know, but we're not using it today and it's fine. Okay, so here comes the green beans out. They're like a bright color. It's a little different on the website. It's like a dark crinkle color. So if you wanted to really match the way they do it, you could put it on, I guess, low heat with a cover on the pan, depending on how you're doing it. I also think they wok fire theirs, and we don't have the big flame to wok fire ours, so Okay, so I'm going to use some tongs. This is just a way you could serve it on a standard white restaurant style plate like this. If you do it like that, you'll get two servings. So there it is, gorgeous and delicious, just like P.F. Chang's. And the preserves really make it. So follow us, share, comment, all that good stuff. HealthyThaiRecipes.com, and thanks for watching. Later.